This 2024 Winnebago Travato 59G is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features TV, refrigerator, air conditioning, stove top burner, spare tire kit, microwave, smoke detector, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features bunkhouse, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.